In today's video, I'm going to show you Kodak PixPro C1 versus FZ55. Which camera is better? When comparing Kodak PixPro C1 and Kodak PixPro FZ55, it really comes down to what kind of snapshots you want and how much quality and flexibility you need. The PixPro C1 is an ultra-budget, compact point-and-shoot camera with a 13MP sensor, 26mm fixed focus wide-angle lens, and a 2.8-inch 180 degrees tilting screen that makes it great for selfies or casual travel shots. It records full HD video and fits easily in a pocket, but it uses only digital zoom, has no optical stabilization, and its autofocus and shutter responsiveness are slow, making it best suited for very casual photography in good light. Reviewers note it's fun and simple, but image quality and performance are limited compared to even basic smartphones. In contrast, the FZ55 offers a more traditional compact camera experience, featuring a larger 16MP sensor with a true 5x optical zoom lens that lets you capture closer subjects without degrading image quality. It still shoots 1080p Full HD video, comes with a built-in flash and digital image stabilization, and includes a range of shooting modes like panorama and various scene presets. The camera's design and controls aim at everyday shooting for families, travelers, and beginners who want more flexibility than the C1 can provide, and it's frequently one of Kodak's top-selling compact models thanks to its balance of simplicity and functional zoom. In real-world use, many users find the FZ55 delivers better overall performance and more useful features thanks to its optical zoom and flexibility, while the C1 tends to appeal mostly for its retro look, simplicity, and tilting screen. Some owners on camera forums recommend the FZ55 as the superior all-around choice for general photography, whereas the C1 is appreciated mainly as a fun, pocketable device with a flip screen but limited photo quality. Overall, if you want better image quality, true zoom, and a more versatile everyday camera, the FZ55 is usually considered the better choice. If you're after a cute, ultra-compact camera mainly for casual use or selfies, the C1 could still be appealing, but it won't match the FZ55 in most shooting scenarios. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.